Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Scottish Widows Review My Usage Experience. Scottish Widows Review My Usage Experience offers online access to your Scottish Widows pension, investment, and insurance policies. Its main purpose is to provide policyholders with a centralized platform to manage their accounts, view statements, and access key information. Key features include viewing policy details, updating personal information, and making online payments. Their website provides details on accessing your account. Scottish Widows highlights the ease of use and security of their online portal. They emphasize the transparency of their fees and charges, although specific details aren't readily available on the front page, requiring account login. The service aims for a straightforward, secure approach to managing financial products. Availability is limited to Scottish Widows policyholders. You'll need your policy number and other login details to access the service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Scottish Widows Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After navigating to their website, I easily located the login section. The initial setup involved verifying my identity using my policy number and answering a few security questions, which felt secure and necessary. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my different policies, and accessing individual policy details was simple. I easily downloaded my latest pension statement and checked the performance of my investment account. The website's performance was excellent, everything loaded quickly and smoothly. I didn't experience any downtime or glitches during my usage. I had a quick question about updating my address, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was great. I was really impressed by how clearly the information was presented. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to consolidate all my Scottish Widows products into one easy-to-access location. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but I can always access the site on my phone's browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Scottish Widows Review My Usage Experience. It's a well-designed platform that makes managing my financial products simple and efficient. That's my overview of Scottish Widows Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.